I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to auto-invest Charles Schwab. Start by logging into your Schwab account and open the Automated Investing or Recurring Transfers section. Choose the account you want to fund, pick the investment like an ETF or mutual fund, and set a deposit amount and schedule. Confirm funding source, review fees and options, then activate the plan so contributions run automatically on your chosen cadence. Next, set up the transfer that feeds your investments on autopilot. Use the linked bank account and authorize ACH transfers, then choose a cadence that matches your paycheck rhythm. Enter the exact dollar amount you want moved each cycle and pick a start date that gives your bank time to process. Double-check transfer limits and any funding hold timelines before confirming so contributions happen smoothly and predictably. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. I love the Simple Path to Wealth as a clear guide to long-term investing and habits, and it pairs nicely with automated plans like the one we're building. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a copy if you want a concise money roadmap, and now let's get back to the video. Choosing the right investment mix makes auto-investing powerful and low maintenance. Favor low-cost ETFs or no-load mutual funds aligned with your goals, and enable dividend reinvestment to let gains compound automatically. Set a simple target allocation and schedule periodic rebalances to prevent drift, or use Schwab's guidance tools to keep things balanced. Keep costs and tax implications in mind when selecting funds to maintain long-term efficiency and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.